This is the elevator at the Social Sciences Building at Duke University in Durham, North Carolina. This was originally a southern jail fixtures, but sadly got a software mod with Innovation Universal. Definitely just software mod. Yeah, I can tell it's the original core. Looks very vintage. Oh yeah. 3? Yeah, jail probably was originally a southern elevator. Here we go up. The cabin looks older. This definitely has a very vintage feel to it. Here, 3. I think 3 maybe burned out. I don't know. Yeah, it's burned out. Here, 3. Plop. Back down to 1. 988 phone. That's a hard phone box. Innovation Universal Fixture Certificate, 1979. But the Innovation Universal software model probably in the late 90s or 2000s. Vintage looking cab. Here back in 1. Whoa. Oh yeah, this definitely has a vintage feel. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure, but I think this was a southern elevator. You know, the buttons are going to go out when that door closes. So closing, that's going to be it. Typical GAL controller for the era. Relay.